we have 4 exponent x equals 400. Okay, so our equation becomes, okay, 4 can be written as 2 exponent 2, okay, and 400 can be written as 16 times 25. All right, so let's apply the power of a power rule to the left side of our equation. So we know that a exponent m multiplying the exponent c equals a exponent m multiplying the exponent c. Okay, so our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x equals, now 16 is the same as 2 exponent 4, okay, and 25 is the same as 5 exponent 2. All right, so we are going to have 2 exponent 2x equals 2 exponent 4 times 5 exponent 2. All right, now let's divide here by 2 exponent 4 and here by 2 exponent 4. We are doing this because we want to apply the quotient rule, okay? Now, since anything over itself is 1, this part of the equation is going to give us 1, okay? All right, so our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x over 2 exponent 4 equals, okay, so we have 5 exponent 2. All right, now let's state the quotient rule. Now, if you have a exponent m over a exponent c, this equals a exponent m minus c, okay? All right, so this is m minus c, m minus c. So our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x minus 4 equals 5 squared, okay? Now, this base is not equal to this base, okay? So in order to proceed, we will introduce logarithm. So we say log 2 exponent 2x minus 4 equals log 5 squared. All right, now let's apply the logarithm definition here in order to simplify the equation. So we say log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. All right, now let's apply this concept to both sides of the equation. So our equation becomes 2x minus 4 multiplying log 2 equals 2 log 5. All right, so our equation becomes 2x minus 4 multiplying log 2 equals 2 log 5. Okay, now let's divide here by log 2, here by log 2. We have already stated that anything over itself is 1. So log 2 over log 2 here is going to give us 1. Okay, all right, so we are going to have 2x minus 4 times 1, and that gives us 1. So we are still going to have 2x minus 4, okay, equals 2 times log 5 over log. Okay, let's check something here. Over log 2, okay. All right. Now let's apply the change of base formula. If you have log a over log b, this equals log a base b, okay? So our equation becomes 2x minus 4 equals 2 times log 5 base 2. So our equation becomes 2x equals 2 log 5 base 2 plus 4. So we have transposed 4. Now we want to make x the subject of the equation. So we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, since 2 is attached to x. So we have 2x equals 2 log 5 base 2 plus 4. Okay, so we divide here by 2, here by 2. Okay, so our equation becomes x, okay, our final equation becomes x equals 2 log 5 base 2 plus 4 all over 2. So this is the end. Kindly subscribe share